JAYSTEPHER is going to be showing you how to install siding on an interior corner with trim for any building or structure. The parts that we're going to be using will be one 1x3 plate, one 1x4 plate, one 1x6 plate, two 1x2 tile, one 2x2 tile, two 2x4 tiles, two 1x1 plates, two 1x2 plates, and six 1x1x2 brick corners. We're going to need 10 1x2 tan bricks, 8 1x3 tan bricks, 3 1x4 tan bricks, and 4 1x6 tan bricks. 2 1x1 tan plates, 4 1x2 tan plates, 8 1x1 eyelet bricks, 64 30-degree slope pieces 1x1, and finally 2 4x8 plates. Now let's get started. The first thing we're going to start off with is a base for our wall. I'm just going to simply use a 1x6 plate. Drop it anywhere. Depending on your design, you can build this any way you want. This is for demonstration purposes. I'm just going to use a 1x3 plate here and a 1x4 plate. Now things are going to get a little tricky because I want to put some trim inside this corner. So I'm going to take two of these 1x2 plates. We're just going to place them here in the corner. And I'll show you what these are going to be for in a little bit. Let's take a 1x1 tan brick or plate. We're going to place it right here. Next, simply take a 1x2 tan plate. We're just going to drop it here. And finally, to finish off the little corner, we're just going to take another 1x2 and a 1x1 tan plate. We're going to place it, but I'm going to place this tan plate along this side just to kind of lock these plates together. And finally, our 1x1 here. Now, take two 1x3 bricks. I'm going to place one along this side here and one along this side. And finally, two 1x2 tan bricks. Just drop them here. Now the fun's going to begin. Take one 1x1 eyelet that's flush mounted. We're going to place it along this corner here. Get it lined up. Take a 1x2 tan, place it here, and another 1x1 eyelet. And to lock this corner in, take a 1x3. Working on this side here, I'm just going to take a 1x2 tan, drop it down in that corner. Take a 1x1 eyelet, a 1x2 brick, and finally our last eyelet. This is going to be to attach our siding panels to the wall. Next, take a 1x6 brick. I'm going to place it along this side here. Take a 1x2 brick. We're going to drop it here. Take a 1x3. We're going to place it along the top of this eyelet, and a 1x2. The reason why I did that is so I can lock in these eyelet pieces so they're firmly attached to the wall. Now simply take a 1x6 brick. We're going to drop it along the top here. A 1x4 brick. Set along this corner here. And finally a 1x3 to finish off our level here. Starting back where we left off, a 1x6. Another 1x4. Back there, and a 1x3. Yep, we'll take another 1x6, drop it along the top here. 1x4, and finally our 1x3. just as the bottom, we're going to need to put eyelets on the top. So start off with a 1x3 tan. Just place it up here at the very top, right here. Put a 1x2 here. Let's take a 1x1 tan eyelet, place it there. 1x2 brick. And finally, a 1x1 eyelet. Start on the other side, 1x2 eyelet. 1x1 eyelet goes here. A 1x2 brick. And finally, our last 1x1 eyelet. Now we have the basis of our wall done. The next part, we need to put some trim here to adjoin our siding panels. So let's simply push this off to the side here. I'm going to take two of these 1x1x2 corner bricks. We're going to place the one on top of the other. Now we're going to simply use one 1x1 plate and a 1x2 plate. Now if you got a brick plate, a corner plate, you can put it there. I'm going to take two more corner bricks, drop them on top of each other. Take another 1x1 plate that's white. And finally our 1x2 plate. And we can just finish this piece of trim off with two corner bricks. And now we can simply take this and we can drop it down in here. Now we got some nice trim for our siding. Simply push this off to the side. Take a 4x8 plate. We're going to cover this whole plate with slopes, 1x1 slopes that are 30 degrees. So here we go. This will add great detail to the corner. Don't worry if they're a little crooked. I'll show you how to straighten those out here in a second. Got to cover the whole thing. I don't want to see no black. It's got to be all covered with tan. And always work from the bottom up. Makes it much easier to put your slopes on. Just about there. One more row. And finally, our last slope. I'm just going to take it and push the edges down. Just get the edge bricks all lined up. Just take a brick or a tile and just come in here. We're just going to line everything up. Just kind of press down on these. Get them lined up. You can see where it's starting to line up some of the bricks. This is what you want. If you want to leave them crooked for added detail, you can do that too. And there we go. We need to make two of these, but I saved myself some time. I already made one in advance. So we're just going to simply drop these on here, on our eyelets, like panels. Now finally, if you're going to add a second floor or roof to your structure, we need to tile this off. So I'm going to start off with a 2x2 tile, place it along the top here. Take a 2x4, but place it along that side. And I'm just going to put a 1x2 here to finish it off. And the same thing with this side, another 2x4 and a 1x2. There, we got a nice, awesome corner, inside corner for our siding. It looks nice. It's got that trim here. And if you look on the inside, it's all finished off, smooth. This would be great for an interior of a building, so you don't have to have any distractions. So there we have it. There is the inside corner for our siding. Very easy to construct. Hope this tutorial helped you guys out. Thank you for watching.